Hello, and welcome to Design Guy. Want to make your text look like it's part of your image? I'll show you how. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels for this demonstration. This sets the dimensions for your new project accurately and efficiently. Next, add a heading by selecting the text tool from the toolbar. Type any text you want in the input field. Next, change the font by selecting your preferred option from the font menu to customize your text appearance easily and quickly. Select the text and apply the Untone style. Next, increase the font size to make the text larger. Finally, click the Share button to share your updated content. This process enhances visibility and allows others to access your work easily. Use these steps to improve and distribute your text efficiently. Download and save this image as a PNG file. Next, go to the Elements tab and search for Sports. Select the desired sports graphic, then delete any existing text on your design to keep it clean. This will help you customize your project effectively, ensuring a polished and professional appearance for your final presentation or social media post. Find the photo you want and select it. Set this image as your background. Then drag and drop the downloaded image onto the workspace. This allows you to easily customize your project by combining the background with your chosen image for a polished final result. This image contains text. Use the background remover to eliminate the background. Then, blend this image seamlessly into the other image to create a unified composition. Adjust settings as needed to achieve a smooth, natural integration between the two images for the best visual result. Open the Apps menu and search for Image Blender. This app allows you to work with and edit text inside images efficiently. Select it to begin editing your image. To blend images, start by selecting the Image Blender tool. Next, upload your base image, then choose the secondary image to blend. Set the blending mode to linear for a smooth transition. Adjust the opacity slider to control the blend intensity. Finally, preview the result and click Apply to save your blended image. This creates a seamless mix between both images. Drag the text image upward as shown, then click Save. Your text image is now embedded within the main image. You can click Share to share your design or download to save it. The system automatically adjusts the size to ensure the best quality output. This makes your final image clear and well proportioned, ready for presentation or sharing across platforms without losing resolution. Review the entire series before clicking the download button. Now you know how to blend text into images in Canva and subscribe for more easy design tips.